When it comes to upgrading your Orange Park home with new windows, one of the most critical yet often overlooked steps is taking precise measurements. While style, glass type, and energy efficiency are important, even the most advanced window won't perform well if it doesn't fit properly. Accurate measurements ensure that your new windows look great, function efficiently, and provide lasting comfort for years to come. Why precise measurements matter. A window is more than just glass in a frame. It's a barrier that protects your home from the elements while enhancing curb appeal and comfort. Precise measurements ensure seamless fit. A properly measured window fits perfectly into the wall opening, eliminating unsightly gaps. Energy efficiency. Tight-fitting windows prevent air leaks that drive up utility bills in Orange Park's humid summers and cool winters. Structural integrity. A correctly sized window supports the surrounding frame and avoids pressure points that can cause cracks or warping. Smooth operation. Proper measurements guarantee that windows open, close, and lock with ease. Simply put, precise measurements are the foundation of a successful window installation. Risks of incorrect measurements. Even a small error in measurement can lead to significant problems. If the window is too large, it won't fit into the frame without costly modifications. If it's too small, installers may need to use excessive fillers or caulking, which not only looks unprofessional but also reduces energy efficiency. Other risks include drafts and energy loss. Gaps between the window and frame allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to seep in. Moisture issues. In Orange Park's humid climate, poor sealing can lead to condensation, mold growth, and wood rot. Reduced lifespan. A poorly fitting window undergoes more stress, leading to premature wear and failure. Compromised security. Ill-fitting windows are easier to force open, putting your home at risk. These issues make clear why professional installers emphasize precision at every step. How professionals ensure accuracy. Experienced window installers in Orange Park follow a detailed process to ensure exact measurements. This includes multiple measurement points. Professionals measure the width and height of each window opening in several places to account for irregularities. Accounting for out-of-square frames. Many homes, especially older ones, don't have perfectly square openings. Installers factor this in to ensure a snug fit. Considering trim and sills. Proper measurements include allowances for trim, sills, and insulation materials. Using advanced tools. Laser levels and digital measuring devices reduce human error and improve accuracy. This meticulous approach ensures that the final installation is flawless. Benefits of professional installation. While some homeowners may consider a DIY window installation, the risk of incorrect measurements is high. Hiring professionals provides peace of mind with expertise in difficult openings. Unique shapes and sizes are handled with precision. Warranty protection. Many manufacturers require professional installation for warranty validity. Time and cost savings. Avoiding mistakes means no wasted money on reorders or repairs. Enhanced home value. Well-fitted, professionally installed windows increase resale value and curb appeal. For Orange Park homeowners, professional installation ensures your investment pays off in comfort, beauty, and efficiency. Final thoughts. Windows play a vital role in your home's comfort, security, and energy performance, but only if they're installed correctly. Precise measurements are the key to achieving all of these benefits. By choosing a professional installer in Orange Park, you're not just getting new windows, you're getting peace of mind, improved efficiency, and lasting value. When it's time to replace your windows, remember, precision is everything.